And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 71. Let me show you how you can add handles to nodes. These straight corner nodes, for example here, the three ones, start endpoint and the one in the middle, they don't have handles because there is no curve, but we have this add handle option right there. But if you just use it like that, it's not going to work because it doesn't know where to put the handle. So you need to have at least two nodes selected that are neighboring, so they come after one another, and then you can use this function and a handle will be given for the specific segment. So if you want to have them on the left side too, you need to select the start node and the center node, and then you can add it. I've set at least two because you can also select all three nodes here at once and add the handles, and then your center node will have both handles, because then Inkscape knows that you want to make both of these segments to left and right curved, and then these handles will be given to your node. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.